One day I have been at the Galápagos Islands for a 1 megawatt ground mount installation, and it was a joint venture with Siemens, and that was a real interesting project because they use cameras, so that flip over the camera and the camera will observe the sky, and they have done round about 70 terabyte of cloud pictures, and the camera is double checking the clouds. And with this information, the camera is calculating with the software how many percentage from this ground mount will be shedded. And if it is 10 or 15%, then a diesel generator will jump on. And when the cloud is gone, then it goes back to fully PV. And that was really interesting at the Galápagos Island. It is on Isabella Island. And yeah, that was a great experience.